If you are an online entrepreneur, dead serious about learning how to source products from China, how to talk to suppliers, how to negotiate with them, and how to launch products that no one else is selling on Amazon, products that blow the minds of Amazon shoppers, you will love this trip. Hey guys, this is Seth, Keeping It Real. Imagine taking a week off of your regular schedule to go to China, and all you do is spend the entire time talking to suppliers and factories, learning how to source, receiving your own shopping assistant who will walk with you through the Fujian marketplace and teach you how to talk to suppliers. They also are bilingual, so they can translate for you. You also receive application software where you can put in all the data, the photos, the contact information, everything, the MOQs, the RMB cost translated over to the currency exchange of your country. And then spending time with 4 Amazon coaches. These coaches do a combined of 10 million of Amazon sales per year on Amazon. And each evening you have 2-hour sessions with them where they're teaching you how to take your products, how to launch them on Amazon, how to differentiate them, and how to test your PPC ad campaigns. It is one thing to do research on Alibaba, to do research using online tools like Amazon. It is another thing to actually go to China, to put yourself in a 59 million square foot center, the largest small commodity market in the entire world, and to be able to talk to suppliers directly yourself. You will learn how to source from suppliers by talking to them in person. You will test your product ideas at an unbelievably low minimum order quantity. You will make life friends. You will get to hang out with myself, with Amazon sellers, just-in-time coaches, sourcing experts. You will be trained on how to source by people who've been doing this for decades. You'll receive 13 hours of instruction on how to use PPC ad campaigns to test your products and launch them on Amazon. You will have access to more than 100,000 vendors in a 59 million square foot center divided into 5 huge districts where you can go to the product category of your choice, even if you already have a product on Amazon and you're looking for a better price. I went last October. We were able to reduce the price by 3 times after talking to suppliers. If you're interested in doing more product research in a week, then you could do an entire year online. And if you want to learn how to not just talk to suppliers and how to negotiate, but how to apply this online, specifically on Amazon, and to be able to touch and see and feel these products before you order them, and actually order small minimum order quantities of multiple kinds and launch them on Amazon to test them and differentiate them, then you need to come to China with us. Now, we are not accepting all applications. We're only letting 20 people go to China this year. Therefore, click the button below, fill out your application. We're gonna look at every single application very specifically. If your application is approved through the first tier, I will call you on the phone to ask more questions to make sure you're at a point in your business where this is the natural best next step for you. We are not just looking for people who want to have an amazing fun, and we will have tons of fun. We're going to spend an entire day in Shanghai just touring with a professional tour guide. But we're looking for people where this next step is going to bring their business to the next level. So within the next several months, you see results. Click the button below, fill out your application. The spots are limited and they go fast. I'll see you in China.